We're going to meet one of the horses. This is nuts. So a client called me and told me she lived on a farm. I didn't really think she really lived on a farm, but she does. Like a horse farm. Isn't this nuts? I've never been on a horse farm before. Nicole and I, we are on a farm. This is a real life farm. We find this so hilarious.
Hello.
Stop yelling. That's Lucius or Lucifer, and then there's Blue over there.
Well, hello. Hi. Nicole, do you want to meet one of the horses? She's like, oh yeah. They're going to meet one of the horses. This is nuts. Hi. What's your thing?
It keeps the bugs out of their eyes, so they can see. He won't hurt you, I promise. He's super friendly. He's basically a giant dog.
So I left my cleaner at the horse farm and she is gonna finish up the cleaning, but first time for everything. Thanks for tagging along.